Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how and why you should always use a password manager. Let's assume you're using a single password in every website and an attacker somehow manages to get access to the database. Well, you might think, they're storing my password in a very secured hashed way. No, that's not always the case, because some of them are storing your password in plain text. So yeah, I'm going to show you a quick demo how an attacker can get your password in a single second. And no, this is not a hacking tutorial, it's just to educate you and maybe bring some awareness in cybersecurity. So yeah, this is a clean terminal. So let's assume this here is your password stored in a hash in a database. Now when a hacker wants to get your password, usually they're using a dictionary attack. It means they're technically having like a text file where it's written a lot of passwords and their hashes, and then they're just checking if one of them exists in that file. They have like millions of passwords in one file. So they're just using one command, actually two. And here is your password hash, and see, password 123 was cracked in a second. So yeah, don't do that. But the password manager could kind of save you, because it's generating a random password for you. You can choose how long, longer the better, and you can just log in with a single click. But of course, not all of them are very good. I usually recommend Bitwarden and 1Password. Of course, I'm not sponsored by any of them. I just really like what they do. Let's see. So here we are in Bitwarden's website, bitwarden.com. So actually to use it, it's pretty simple. You just get started for free. Press this, you use personal, and then you just create a free account. Of course, I'm gonna let you do that alone, because it's pretty simple. But yeah, it has pretty cool stuff, you know. It has open source, zero knowledge encryption, unlimited devices, passkeys, credit cards, free sharing, whatever, you know. You don't need to know everything, but the point is you can use it for free. After you have made your own account, you can press downloads, and you can use all kinds of stuff, starting from browser extensions until desktop apps for Linux, Windows, Mac OS, or whatever. Just name it. You can just download. Today, I would recommend to use the browser extension. So yeah, but you're asking, how would I actually use this? So technically, when you have the browser extension downloaded, you log in, then you press your browser extension icon, and you can see you have a vault. You can add stuff to your vault, of course, manually, but you can also do it automatically. So technically, when you make an account, just generate the random password here like this. You're just refreshing, you're putting some options like length, you know, and you want some extra symbols or whatever included, you know. Like, I would usually recommend to go with the max setting, you know, like longer the password is, more random it is, better it is. So technically you copy the password, you're making your account, and after that it's simple. You just go press here where you want to log in, and boom, import, export, it's done. You don't need much more. So yeah, one word of advice more: if you're not like a very advanced developer or a hacker, or who knows who, cybersecurity guru, then rather don't try to host this kind of stuff on your own. Like, a lot of people say that, oh, it's so dangerous to host it, to keep your passwords in a cloud somewhere. But yeah, like, these people know what they do, you know. They keep your passwords safe, you know. And if you're trying to do it on your own, it's not safe. There's like very easy to actually screw this up very fast. So yeah, if you like the video, click the like, subscribe, and of course, if you have some questions or a word of advice, you can always comment. And see you in the next video.